Welcome to Little Brightstars TV.
Welcome to Little Brightstars TV. Time for English to Hausa. It's apple. In Hausa, we call it tufa. Ball. In Hausa, we say kwalo. Bed. In Hausa, we say gado. Bicycle. In Hausa, it is keke. It's a book. In Hausa, it is a tapi. It's bread. In Hausa, we call it gurasa. Beep, beep. Look, it's a car. In Hausa, it's a mota. Chair. In Hausa, it's a kuchera. Cow. In Hausa, it is sania. Cup. In Hausa, we call it kofona. Dog. In Hausa, it's a kare. Door. In Hausa, it is kofa. Egg. In Hausa, we call it kwai. In Hausa, it's a jiwa. Female friend. In Hausa, I'm an abuya. Fish. In Hausa, we call it kifi. Flower. In Hausa, it is fure. Hand. In Hausa, we say hannu. Hat. In Hausa, we say hula. Hello. In Hausa, we say sannu. Key. In Hausa, we say makuli. Lion. In Hausa, it is zaki. It's a lion. In Hausa, it's zaki. Male friend. In Hausa, I am a boki. Meat. In Hausa, it is nama. Milk. In Hausa, we call it madara. Money. In Hausa, we say kuri. She's my mother.
In Hausa, we say ua.
Mountain. In Hausa, it is dutse. It's one. In Hausa, we say daya. Rice. In Hausa, we call it shinkafa. School. In Hausa, it is makaranta. They are shoes.
In Hausa, they are takalmi.
Sky.
In Hausa, it is sama.
Soap.
In Hausa, it is sabulu.
Spoon.
In Hausa, we call it chokali.
It's the sun.
In Hausa, we call it rana.
Tree. In Hausa, it's a bishia. It's water.
In Hausa, we call it rua.
Window. In Hausa, we say tagaga. Thank you.
In Hausa, we say nagode. See you next time. Keep learning and shining.